my channel. My name's Lauren, and we are doing a little mini beach vlog today.
Guapo, es caliente.
And a physical. Oh. We got it up! Gonna do some yoga. The ground is cold, so hold on, here it comes. Oh shit. I'm not getting in. No. We're not getting in.
It just happens. It just happens. Like pretty song that was on Studio One, they end up commenting.
We are back in the car. We did some amazing yoga at the beach led by. You did do really good though, baby. And I appreciate him for doing it. Shelly did yoga for the first time, or like the second time, and she enjoyed it. And then we had another person join us in the middle, which was really cool. She was actually from New York, so yeah. And Shelly is right behind us, following. And we are going to get some pizza. And wings and pasta, yes. I'll see you guys there. Guys, we just got some Pizza Hut.
How y'all doing?
Hi, how are you?
Picking up a place in order.
Picking up for Evan.
Evan? I got you. 2258. Alrighty, y'all have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
You got it.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. I obviously check with my man first, but we are going to get a bottle and she's staying the night again so we can have a little drinking night, game night. I know we just had one last week. We're gonna have fun 2 nights. No kid, no summer for her, so we're having some fun.
Yes.
And we are on the way to the liquor store. We are at the liquor store. You know what he sounded like? He sounded like he was gonna get caught up for talking to you like that.
I'm supposed to be here like that.
Oh my. He like you, girl. Anyways, bag secured. We got the food and the drinks. Baby, guess what? Sponsor me, Malibu. Y'all, these energy drinks are really good, but let me tell you, they are strong. Strong. If you need a good kick. That sounds like jazz. Yeah, is it good or more?
A little bit more.
You trying to get us drunk tonight again? What you think? We gonna finish the bottle?
Yeah, I think so. Hold on.
Dang, I don't have my nails. See, that's when nails come in handy.
Ah. Alright. Go ahead, bathe me in it, you know. Get my whole shit wet.
The attitude. Anyways, should I use the whole can?
Nah.
Okay, I think I'll be good. Okay. It's strong. Cheers. Cheers. Hey, Kelly. Say she love her teeth. Came out the shower automatically talking shit. For what?
You can't even see me right now because I'm team dark skin.
You is not dark skin, so say
Team
it.
dark skin, team bound to win.
Yeah.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. We had a great night and now we are about to go on a little walk. I'm putting some sunscreen on. We played so many different games last night. We did not end up finishing the bottle. There was actually a good bit left, but it's okay. Baby, can you just get like right here for me, please?
Oh, whatever you need, man.
Yeah.
You said you was driving, right?
Is that so?
What you mean is that so? Come on, man.
He wants me to drive.
Come on, don't do that.
He wants me to drive. I will say, actually, baby, I will drive because he drove both ways for me yesterday, and I appreciate that very much. You are driving? Oh, you just opened the door for me. Honeysuckles. It is hot. I did not expect it to be this hot.
Loving this.
Yes, it feels amazing. Like I'm building up a sweat. He said if you fish in here, you gonna what?
You're gonna be fishing with the wrong competition. You don't want to fish over there, boy.
Gosh.
It's barbed wire right there for a reason.
Oh my.
Playing the wrong
Baby, your
game.
skin looks really good.
Yeah, it's that what's it called? Damn.
Now you can't think of it?
Shit, no.
Oh, that's crazy.
Some type of it's some good sunscreen. Hell yeah.
You talking about Mad Hippie?
What's it called?
Mad Hippie?
Oh yeah, Mad
Is that what you're
Hippie.
talking
I guess I
Yes, that is amazing.
kind of fit that vibe.
It has
got my
done our
hippie shades,
skin
throw it away,
wonders. No. So pretty. So pretty.
Nah, you
Be
good.
careful.
Mind over matter. And remember, it's easier to jump back on this side.
You're not. Don't say that.
What if you stay on?
Yeah.
There's no telling if you're gonna.
Shelly
land
wants to
hard
go
or
off.
soft. The floor is just too unpredictable.
Yeah, she wants to go all the way down here. But I don't think we'll be able to
The
bring
floor-
her back up.
The floor in the bush is made up of the remains of past trees that are falling
Shelly!
down. So it's unpredictable what might go down. There is no one to help her if shit hits the fan. We're 3 miles into the bush.
That's how one of the shows sounds. Yeah, that looks hot, Shelly.
We are 3 miles into the thick of the bush, Mike. Check it out. There's no rescue team here. We're the camera crew. Falling down there would mean sudden death. It's ill-advised.
Y'all see how crazy
We should carry on our way.
We should carry on.
The final decision. Why don't you jump over there?
I didn't say I wanted to.
Now you want to catch
Square up.
attitude. Stop. Oh, right here. Oh, look at you. I didn't even want to use my left hand.
Attitude. Look at the attitude on his face. What you got an attitude for? What you got an attitude for?
By my head and tried to throw me down.
That's so crazy.
No, it's crazy.
Y'all see how he be trying to lie? Why would I do that?
Her friend can't even help her in this lie. Look at her. She
Did
can't
I do
even look.
something?
I'm not even paying attention.
Oh, Lord.
She said she wasn't even
Terrible
paying
lie.
attention.
Y'all should have saw her play poker last night. Lost all her little money in 2 hands.
It's my first time, though.
Yeah, it was her first time. Give her a break.
Everybody's first time.
No, it wasn't, except yours.
Right. I'm a real expert.
That's what you said. You the one who taught us.
While I was reading the rule book.
No. We are at the end of the trail. We did about 3 miles.
See you in about a month or so.
Yes, to be safe.
Yeah, a month or so.
Maybe a month or 2.
6
3?
months.
About 6. Alright, now get the fuck up out of here. Don't you ever bring your motherfucking ass back to this property. You know what the fuck.
He talking shit to you and you messed it all. Yeah, you heard her. That's crazy.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. You don't want to let that one know open playing with me. Because that's big guap, the big guap way. We're going to talk our shit and walk our shit. You feel me? You better go.
Look at you talking shit.
Now I need to stretch.
A few days later, I just realized that I did not film an outro, so I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!